tonight's episode of Python Papi. We're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. As you recall, the last thing we did in our environment was add grass. As you can see, we do have a lot more things going on today. I went ahead and finished our slab. I took the day to do that. It's not as large as the original one. The original one was a 24 by 24. This one is a 12 by 12. That's because the scale of our environment isn't as big as the environment that we had initially. That environment, I think, is just a staging environment where it just goes on, and you can do whatever kind of building you want. But this one is a more finite. As you can see, we do have borders here. We don't have any mountain ranges like we did in the other one. I'll probably add the mountain ranges back once you figure out exactly what's going on. And then you can see here, I did add this window frame here. This is a window frame, but I fashioned it to be something different. I enlarged it, made it wider. I'm going to treat it as some kind of portal, maybe see if I can add some kind of water effect to it to make it seem like some kind of warriors or players are coming through to uh, participate in our battle royale in our arena here, something to that effect. So yeah, that's why I put it there before I forgot about it. Before I added the pillars, I'm still gonna do the pillars on all four sides. They might not be as high as the last one. I think the last ones were 12 high, but since we're all done with the smaller arena, I might just do 6 high for this one, or 5 high. The cone on top, that'll make it 6, like I initially wanted. So yeah, that's where we're at with it right now. As you can see, this is what we have. We have our grass, we have our slab done, and we do have our portal window. So now what I want to do is I want to add our pillars to our slab, and I want to add some kind of water effect to our window frame here to make it seem like a portal that players or warriors can come through to participate in our battle royale on our arena. Let's have a look at it from the top perspective. This is the way I used to make sure everything was centered. So you can see here, this is our winner here. So exactly centered with our arena. So when the Warriors do come through, they're going to come straight to the arena there. So that's the top look. Let's go back to perspective so I can show you what it looks like from the wireframe. Even though this doesn't really do anything, I just like the way it looks. It's a cool effect. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like with the wireframe. And this is the wireframe version here. You can see our portal, and you can see our 12 by 12 slab. So it's coming along. Like I said, we have our grass, we have our props now. Now what we have to do now is add our pillars and then add some kind of effect to our frame here to make it look like a portal, and we can move forward. So that's where we're at inside our Unreal Engine project. We're all the way back to where we should be, minus the pillars, which we're going to fix tomorrow, and the water effect. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way on the progress that we make. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.